a few minutes to breathe, meditate, and connect deeply within, letting the world outside just fade away. So if you're feeling stressed, if you're feeling disconnected, or just flimsy and losing your focus, follow for the next breath exercise and then into the meditation that's really going to make you feel deeply connected. So we start by just raising up the shoulders, inhale up, exhale down. One more time, inhale up, exhale down. Third, final time, inhale up and exhale down. And then we move into my favorite breath exercise to really let go of any tension within and also tensions from the mind. So inhale through the nose all the way to the top of the lungs. And when you believe that you're completely full, inhale a little bit more. And then exhale through the nose. Let the belly button draw in towards the end. One more time, inhale all the way to the top of the lungs, where you can't fill up any more air. And then at the end, a little bit more. And then exhale long through the nose. And at the end, draw the belly button slightly in to all the air finishes. And then inhale. Final time, make it count. And then at the very end, a little bit more. And then exhale with the nose. Feel yourself calming down. Now take the chin just slightly down. Relax the shoulders back and down. Some air between the elbows so you can sit completely comfortable. The spine is straight. And then close the eyes and start directing your focus completely inwardly to your mind and to your body. Breathe through the nose. And here you draw all your senses within. And just start observing how you're feeling. See if it is chaotic and wild, or if perhaps you're finding that calm within. Continue to breathe very naturally without any effort, but remaining with the mouth closed, only through the nose. And if my voice is going silent, it's to give you space and time to feel yourself within. For every exhalation, feel yourself slowing down, releasing the tensions from the outside world. Like the waves on water, just become calmer and calmer, slower and slower. See if you can relax on the top of the head, down over the head, the forehead, slowing down and releasing tension around the eyes, the cheeks, around the mouth and the jaws. Exhale. Feel your whole face relaxing. And then draw that calmness into your throat and neck, releasing any tension. Into the shoulders. And letting the calm wash over you throughout the body, all the way down to your feet and to your toes. Sit here for as long as you want, feeling the calm washing down over you. And when you feel ready and done, whenever it may be, you softly, gently open the eyes.